is not Kano Emirate. To all those involved in the current conspiracy to dubiously change the Benin State traditional rulers and chief edict of 1979 by some government officials and their agents, including some Ujia Norahara, in order for them to start installing mushroom traditional rulers in Edo land. Edo not be Kano, and all of you will fail woefully. Some riverine tenants whom the Benin is allowed to settle in Ologbo and Gelegele are trying to provoke us by illegally trying to install fake chiefs, and we are aware that Chief Ogiame's house is being renovated under the quest of UNESCO projects. Names and addresses of those involved in this conspiracy, including their roles, will be published soon. Humans of Edo land would like to make it clear that any attempt to upgrade, recognize, or install any other traditional ruler in Benin Kingdom will be met with stiff resistance and a declaration of war. We will also like to warn gazetted busybody traditional rulers from other states or ethnic groups to desist from coming to Great Benin, Edo land, if you are not ready to follow laid down traditional protocols. If you think you are too big to observe Benin traditional protocol, stay in your domain and don't come to Benin to do busybody. But if you refuse to follow the traditional protocol, when next you come down to Benin, we will help to teach you a lesson on how to observe traditional protocol in Benin. A word is enough for the wise.